Tackling small flies and cockroaches is just a brutal task. It's not a brutal task because it's impossible. It's a brutal task because there are very few effective products on the market that can be used on a regular basis to control and prevent small flies. We have your answer. Whether there's competition for food, we have your answer because Nibor-D plus IGR contaminates the food particles that the cockroaches and small flies are feeding on. Whether it's limited cleaning, we can handle that. Nibor-D plus IGR can be applied to those dirty, filthy, nasty areas that never get cleaned. A host of other conducive conditions are around in buildings and commercial and residential facilities that you can really use this product to your benefit. So there are just a number of ways and reasons that you should want to give Nibor-D plus IGR a chance.